The last free Indian, and his name was Goyathle. He was a Madokahe, an Apache, but the gringos called him Geronimo. He did not like to live at the reservation of San Carlos because he feared for his life and the health and welfare of his family. So in the middle of the night, he took his family along with Nyache, who was the youngest son of Cochise, and they went down to Mexico to live in the mountains where they could be free and enjoy the clean air. But the US government, like an angry parent, couldn't allow them to disobey and go down there and live as free. So they sent the army down after them, and they even hired Apache scouts to find him. And they promised them their freedom if they could find him and convince him to surrender. Well, they did find him, and they went to him, and they convinced him to surrender because they told him it would be better for the people, for the Apache nation, if he were to surrender, that the government would go easier on them. So he did. He came down from the mountain the next day and he surrendered his rifle to General Miles. And he said, once I moved about like the wind. So I've written this song as if I were Geronimo. And this is the night before I surrender my freedom forever.
Once I moved about
you.